Welcome. This video is going to demonstrate how to complete the preparation assignment that is in Blackboard and using our new tool at MSJC College called apps.msjc.edu. The first thing you need to do is point your browser to apps.msjc.edu. It is very important to note, this tool can only be used with Internet Explorer. If you have a machine other than a Windows machine, you will need to figure out a way to get Internet Explorer to work on the machine, or get to a Windows computer so that you can run Internet Explorer. When you first bring up this apps.msjc interface, you may be asked to load a control, an ActiveX control. In this case, at the bottom of my screen, you'll notice that it's asking me to run the Microsoft Remote Desktop Services web component. I'm going to go ahead and choose Allow. Now that I've done that, I'm ready to log on. If you have any problems or assistance logging on, you can click the Login Help button over to the right. Where it says domain/username, you need to make sure it says MSJC /, and then you're going to put your Blackboard username. In this case, I've placed my Blackboard username. You then are going to type the password. The password is the same as your Blackboard password. If this is your home computer, you can choose this is a private computer, and it'll remember your username the next time you log on. Go ahead and click Sign In when you're complete. When you sign in for the first time, sometimes it takes a little while to log on. Just go ahead and be patient. It will definitely authenticate you, and it might take a few minutes. If you get an error message or a warning that you are not allowed to access this or do not have permissions, then please contact our support. Once you log on, you will notice there are several icons available to you, and you'll see the text of the word of the program. These are all the programs that are available to you as a CSIS student at MSJC College. All of these can be ran remotely. For the CSIS 101 course, I want to focus your attention on the remote desktop icon. It's the last one in the list. Click on it once. Do not double click on it. If you double click on it, the window that asks for a confirmation of connection will pop up behind your browser. So click on it once, that's all you need to do, and it will launch a screen asking you to confirm the connection. You'll go ahead and choose the button Connect. When you connect for the first time, it will ask you for your credentials again. You must type in MSJC / and then your Blackboard username. You can then type your Blackboard password as you did previously. Once you've typed your credentials, you can click OK. It may ask you if it has problems identifying the identity of your machine because there's a certificate issue. Don't worry about this. It's just simply because we do not have a certificate server validating apps.msjc.edu. Just click yes and you'll be fine. When you log on, you will get a desktop. Now notice that this desktop looks like a computer. It's actually a session on the app farm at MSJC College. If you minimize your window, you'll go back to your computer, and then you can find it again in your taskbar. It'll look like a little remote desktop computer, and you can click on it and bring it up again. So you can navigate back and forth between your computer and the remote desktop. Once you're in the remote desktop, I'm now going to show you how to complete the practice assignment. First off, you want to go ahead and open up Microsoft Word. So go to All Programs, and then you'll find the Microsoft Office link, and then choose Microsoft Word. Now, you want to make sure that you follow the instructions very carefully. So on Blackboard, you will notice, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up real quick so you can see it. On Blackboard, under the assignment section, under the preparation unit, there is a practice assignment checklist. If you click on that, it's a PDF file that will walk you through exactly what you need to do to complete the practice assignment. I'm not going to go through all this to you together, but basically it wants you to log on and create a PDF file, and it wants you to add a screenshot, the ability to copy and paste a screenshot into your file. So that's basically what this particular assignment wants you to do. You can get a summary of it at the end on what exactly it wants you to complete. Having reviewed that, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my remote desktop, and now I'm going to complete that. So I'm going to say, hello, my name is Guy Reams, and this is my practice assignment. Below is my screenshot. Now, taking a screenshot is relatively easy. Basically, what you have to do is you have to use the print screen function on your keyboard. Somewhere on your keyboard, you will have a function called print screen. Print screen may require you to hold the Alt key down or the function key down or something along those regards in order to operate print screen. In my case, print screen doesn't require the Alt or Control key or anything. I can just hit print screen. So basically, I can grab anything I want to take a print screen of. So I'm going to say this is my screenshot. So I'm going to take a screenshot of just Notepad here just to demonstrate how this works. So what I'm going to do, notice I've got this window. I'm going to hit Alt. I'm going to hold the Alt key down and hit print screen. Now, if I go back to Word and I hit Control V, or Control V would be the command, so you hold down the Control key and hit V, or you can simply choose from the ribbon Paste. You can do that as well. So most of you will be used to the ribbons up here, so I'm going to just click Paste, and now I've pasted in that screenshot. Now this is not actually Notepad now. This is just a picture of the Notepad. You could also do other things you wanted to. You could do a screenshot of a picture or something like that. So if I were to go to, I don't know if I have a picture in here. I don't have any pictures. But if you had a picture or something, you could grab that as well. I don't have any pictures. You know, maybe you want to, let's do that. I'm going to open up Internet Explorer, and I'm going to bring up the college's website. So let's say I want to do a picture of the college's website. I'm going to hold Alt print screen, and now I've got a picture of the college's website. So I'm going to go ahead and Control V, paste that in there. So now I've got two screenshots just to show you how to do it. So that's how you do it. You basically use the print screen function on your keyboard, go back to Word, put your cursor where you want to, hit Control V, or go up and hit the paste option. Now I'm done. So basically I'm going to save this file. So I'm going to go File, Save. Now, very important, you want to make sure that you save these into your My Documents directory. So notice I'm in Documents. I'm going to go ahead and call this Practice Assignment. And notice I am saving it in Microsoft Word format. Now, the assignment asks for you to submit this as a PDF file. So I'm going to go File, Save As, and down where it says Save As Type, I'm going to choose PDF. I'm going to go ahead and click Save, and now I've got a PDF file that should open up. It did. Here is my PDF file that was created by that process. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and now I'm going to close my Word document. I'll go ahead and save the changes. So now you should have, sitting in your My Documents directory, a PDF file called Practice Assignment. If you want to make sure it looks good, open it up, and you can see, well, there's my document. I'm going to go ahead and close the Practice Assignment now. Now that I'm done with that, I'm ready to submit this. The best way to submit this is to open up Internet Explorer in the remote and the appfarm.msjc.edu. So I'm going to open up Internet Explorer, and in Internet Explorer, I'm going to go to Blackboard. So I'm going to type my.msjc.edu. And now that I'm in Blackboard, I'm going to type my Blackboard username in. I'm going to navigate to the CSIS 101 course that I'm in. And yours will look like this. I'm going to go to the assignments folder section, click on the preparation unit folder, find the practice assignment, the one with the little pencil, select the practice assignment, and now I'm ready to submit it. So I'm going to choose Browse My Computer. Now if I go to the My Documents directory, notice that the practice assignment that's on the server is sitting there. I want the PDF, not the Word doc. Make sure you choose the PDF. And I'm going to click Open. And now when I'm all done, I'm going to click Submit. Now I'm just going to make sure it's there. I see a practice assignment.pdf. It's there. I'm now going to click Submit. You may want to be patient with it, but now that it's done, I can see that my file has been submitted. The new version of Blackboard has a nice feature where it shows you an image of what you submitted. As you can see here, it's showing it to me. I can see that I have definitely submitted it, and I can see that it has not been graded yet. If you now go to the My Grades section, you will see that you have a submitted assignment sitting here called Practice Assignment. The exclamation point means that it has not been graded yet. When we grade them, you will see a point value there. When you're all done with the apps.msjc, you can simply exit this program or go to Start and choose Log Off. And you've now exited the remote desktop system. That concludes our lesson on how to create the practice assignment and submit it using apps.msjc.edu. Thank you very much.